Hey, how's it going? I'm Ricky Camus, president of Unity Home Loans. I'm also a certified mortgage planning specialist and a certified mortgage planner. What does that mean? Most loan officers that you'll meet, they'll do, your one loan maybe in your lifetime. And it's my goal as a certified mortgage planner to help you manage your mortgage. What does that mean? That means that whatever mortgage you're in today, it may not be the mortgage that you're in 3 years from now or even 7 years from now, right? Even if you're in the same house. What my job is to make sure that you are perpetually in the best possible mortgage that is available for you. And that might mean refinancing sometimes to a lower term, right? Maybe a 10-year or a 15-year. I've done a lot of 10-year mortgages in my career. So been in the business over 20 years, have a lot of experience with every type of financing, whether you are self-employed and need to use a P&L for income, or you work at Intel and you're the lead engineer. I've done every type of loan. So look forward to working with you. You are in great hands with your real estate agent. I'm honored that they referred me over to you. And I am a phone call away. I am always available to answer your questions. That's what I'm here for. My direct line, I want you to have my personal cell phone. It's 602-758-7425. I look forward to helping you.